Welcome to 505 Rue Royale in Deer Park. Brick house on 1 acre lot. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, full finished basement. This house has everything brand new. Brand new kitchen, brand new bathrooms, heated floors. Come check it out with me. I saved the best for last. This pool has tons of privacy and it's ready for new owners to come and enjoy it. This home sits in an established neighborhood and it's brand new inside, a dream for any buyer. Don't miss on this home with this pool in Deer Park.